Tools and Gadgets. Today we will be trying to take the stain, the yellowish stain on this NMD shoes. So on the video it doesn't really look like yellowish, but in person it is already yellowish on both of these NMDs. And too bad, because I really like the style of this Neighborhood Babe. It's a limited edition Neighborhood Babe NMDs. Yeah, and so I have tried to use a different a whitening bar scrub that you can purchase for just $1 or $2. So it didn't work. As you can see, there's still stains, dirt, and I purchased this for about $300 way back in 2018, and now these are worth more than $400 on the market price. So yeah, today I'll be trying to use Colgate, so it has deep clean on it. I hope it works. And yeah, out of desperation, I'm trying to use this scratch paint remover. So hopefully this will turn this yellowish or this dirt here and clean that one up. So both of this, when I applied this on this side of each shoe, I'll be leaving them for about 24 hours, and tomorrow I'll be checking out and wiping off the toothpaste and the Scratch X remover and see if which one works. Okay, so first off, we'll be using the Scratch X onto our other shoe, and just for safety purposes, I'm wearing gloves because we don't know what the chemicals on this scratch remover is. So let's go. So we'll just be applying on, on one side of each shoe so that you can see the difference. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave this one and this part here not applied, because so that we can see tomorrow if this really turns into white or if it really cleans this spot here. Okay, so on with the next one, the Colgate. So let's see. So as of this, guys, we're trying to see which product works best. So I haven't tried the baking soda yet, so if one of these does not work, then I might go on with the baking soda. So yeah, there you go. So here's the Megars and here's the Colgate. So once again, I did not apply in this portion and this portion over here, so that tomorrow when we wipe this off, we can see the difference on each sides. So if it did really work or not, so we can see. And if which one works, then we're gonna apply it to the whole sole so that it'll be white again, looks like brand new. So see you tomorrow, guys. Hello guys, so welcome back. So it has now been 24 hours since we placed the Colgate and the Megars X2 scratch remover. So right now we're just gonna wash it off and let's see which one is better. So let's go ahead and wash it. I grab a spare toothbrush. So what we want to do is just... So this is the Megars X2. Clearly it did not take away the stain. It did not do anything actually. And now this is the one with the Colgate. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little bit whiter now. compared to the original color, the yellowish color, it is now whiter. So definitely you could use Colgate to whiten up the side soles of your shoes, but I don't think it's getting this dirt away from the shoe. So yeah, definitely Colgate wins this experiment. So it's now much whiter compared to the original before we placed the Colgate. So for comparison, here's the before, this one, and the after. Before, after. So intentionally I did not put any Colgate here on the sides so that we could compare the final results. Yeah, so definitely Colgate will make your yellowish side soles into white, but it will not get out the dirt here. This one, the dirt here, yeah, it will not get that one out, but it's definitely much whiter now. So once again guys, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and see you again next vlog. Bye!